Yeah, I don't know. I went on the rawhide for 8 years. I used to practice with guns all the time, but we didn't use them too much in that type of a show. But Cyfweliad is a different type of thing, and get a chance to play a different type of character.
Do you think of yourself as a sort of classical cowboy, you know, the Tom Mix of 1967 or something?
Well, not in these films, no. In these films, the character in Fistful he's the epitome of anti-heroism, and he's one of the few westerns in which the hero sort of instigates conflict in the story. Most of the time, all conflict in a western, especially, is instigated by the villain. In this case, the hero sort of throws kerosene on the fire, and it comes out with an interesting result, I think.
So he's not the traditional hero at all, then?
No, definitely not. I think we tried purposely to stay away from the traditional hero, veer as far away as possible.
What are the problems of making Italian westerns?
Well, an Italian director, the Italians, of course, are famous for making earthy films, and this goes good with a western. I think this Italian director that I worked for had a different feel, a non-Hollywoodian, if there's an expression like that, feel, and I think it comes off effectively. At least it comes off different.
You must have some difficulties with names. I mean, can't really imagine a western hero called Alfonso or something. Exotic.
Well, I think there's an Italian actor named Giuliano Gemma who changed his name to Montgomery Wood. I don't know if I think he's changed it back. He speaks Italian. He doesn't speak any English. He speaks Italian. I don't know if any of these films have played outside of Italy, but he's one example.
Do you think that the traditional western, with the good hero being very good and the bad man being very bad, is on the way out?
No, I don't think it's on the way out. I just think that now they'll try to maybe modernize it a little bit, maybe not have the white hat hero be so white hat. And it used to be in the old days the hero always wore a white hat and rode a white horse, and the villain was always dressed in black. But I think they're going to get away from the obvious cliches. You know.